Welcome to the 8-minute easy burpee workout. We're starting in 40 seconds. Let's get ready. This burpee workout is comprised of 3 rounds of 10 reps per round, and we're going to do a 2-minute child's pose recovery between rounds. You're going to select a burpee variation based on your fitness level, or with each round, you can just follow along with me and do that burpee variation. After you finish 10 reps of the burpee variation, you're going to complete a 2-minute child's pose to allow your heart rate to drop before we start the next burpee round. Since it was really windy during filming, I'm going to have to cut the audio and just play some music, so let's get started in 3, 2, 1. And if you're finding this burpee variation too easy for your fitness level, just try one of the other 2 variations that you see on the screen right now, or you can keep doing this because the next round we're going to move up to the more challenging burpee variation. Alright, excellent work. That was the first round of burpees. We're going to be back with another 10 burpees in 2 minutes. But until then, get down on the ground and do some child's pose for the next 2 minutes. Alright, back up to your feet. We're going to kick it back up again with round 2 of burpees. So we're going to progress the burpee to this variation right here. If this is too challenging for you, stick with the original burpee that we did in the previous round, or you can also do the push-up burpee to challenge yourself even more. Now we're moving on to the final round, so choose the most challenging burpee variation that you can do, and let's put in the work. Thank you for working out with me today. If you enjoyed it, do subscribe for more workouts and click that like button. Talk to you soon.